small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
I told you yesterday that Flash was gonna miss Spanish weather. Flash, I need to talk to you. I'm gonna leave you in this family and in this country, but you have to promise. Flash, look at me. Flash, look at me. Yes, you have to promise me that you're gonna be good and you stay and you make this family happy. Okay? Look at me. I know I'm boring you. What do you want? What do you want? Your breakfast? Flash. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Right. Okay. Could I please have some coffee and tea for Flash?
Let's say I let you have my number. Well, I guess this time I didn't stand a chance. Oh no, I'm not in love, no. He was nothing but a city boy.
Thing is, Spaniards are not really used to drive on the snow, so I'm really out of my depth here. There's a massive storm coming, and I think I better go back home pretty quickly before this thing gets really complicated. This doesn't look good at all. But before I leave, and because I'm actually here in the area, there's a really nice family interested in adopting our dog Nancy. Remember, Nancy is this Doberman that was found with a broken back. She'd been hit and left paralyzed. Sí.
Mira, para que tienes una ventanita, si me dejas para verla probar. Son 5 minutitos, me tienes que aguantar, Nancy.
Nancy. Nancy. Muy bien. Muy bien.
Hola.
Lentamente, lentamente.
Ella es bastante alta,
Bien. Baja un poquito, baja un poquito. Sí.
Vamos, Nancy. Nancy, vamos. Vamos, corre, cariño. Venga. Vamos, Nancy. Ven. Nancy. Muy bien.
Anyway, there's a family interested in her, so I'm gonna drop by. It's about 20 kilometers from here. I'm just gonna meet them, see how the house is and whether it's suitable for Nancy. I'm a bit in a hurry because I'm gonna miss my plane back, but this is an opportunity that I can't miss. I have to meet this family. Okay, I'm with the family, really nice people, and they have this guy here, Milo. Milo. Milo is not happy that I'm in the house. Oh, Milo. Okay.
Nothing ever comes to me, yeah, in a steady stream. But you gotta keep on going. You gotta live that dream. I know I ain't supposed to feel it, but oh how it feels. Instead of letting it
Great meeting, great family, beautiful people. They have a really nice dog that first didn't like me much, but then he warmed up and we became good friends. They have some horses and they have a beautiful garden. Nancy's gonna be very happy living with them. I think it's a great choice.
it's all about
So the idea is we're gonna wait until the weather improves a bit, and I'll be bringing her to her new family, to her new home in Germany later in spring. At the moment, if she came here today, Nancy will have a heart attack and will hate me forever. So we're gonna be introducing her to her country gradually. I think it's better if she comes in spring.
01379 36 2000.
Shit. Swiss has just announced that the plane is delayed for 1 hour. I will not be able to catch my connection, which means that I'm gonna be stuck at the airport for the night. I think the problem is in Switzerland. I think the plane hasn't been able to leave yet. So That doesn't look good at all because chances are my flight to Spain is also gonna be cancelled.
But I need you like the bird needs a shotgun. If you care